Johnny Depp's divorce lawyer, Laura Wasser, has revealed that the actor and his ex-wife, Amber Heard, were under a restraining order and had attempted to settle their divorce outside of court in 2016. This has caused an uproar from the public because it proves Amber deliberately leaked pictures and information about their divorce to the public with intent of malice.
The statement was about Mr. Depp. Answer, yes. Question, the statement was false. Answer, yes.
This means that she was honestly found guilty against Johnny by the jury and that she should peacefully accept her judgment and stop her appeal. With this new information, it's likely that Amber will not be granted an appeal, and if she's granted one, she will most likely fail once more. As per Wasser's testimony, Samantha Spector, Heard's divorce lawyer, sought a no-warning restraining order against Johnny without informing his lawyer. Samantha and Wasser had previously been in communication discussing conventional divorce processes at the time. Laura Wasser noted that in her knowledge of family law, the standard protocol is to issue a 24-hour notice for a 21-day restraining order. The order can be petitioned or extended within that time frame. Christian Carino, Heard's talent agent, and Wasser both acknowledged that the two celebrities met secretly in 2016 despite Heard's restraining order against Depp, which was granted in May of that year. Their video depositions were shown in the courtroom. As Carino organized the private meeting, he recalled that Heard assured him she would never accuse Depp of violating her restraining order. Carino also noted that Depp seemed to be reluctant to meet. All this information shows that Amber duped Johnny into believing they had kept their marital affairs away from the public eye, only for her to write an entire op-ed about the matter. This wasn't the only time that Amber had played Johnny. She had previously sent him an extortion letter demanding him to give her a lot if he didn't want her to publicly tell the world about him. The letter, sent from Heard's attorney Samantha Spector to Depp's lawyer Laura Wasser in 2016 after Heard filed for divorce from him. It demanded $125,000 to cover attorney's fees and the exclusive use and possession of a black Range Rover that Depp would continue to make payments for. The letter said, although Amber is afraid of Johnny, she strongly insists that we do everything possible to keep this personal matter out of the media spotlight. It also noted that Heard hadn't publicly filed for a restraining order at the time. Amber Heard demanded that Johnny Depp allow her to live rent-free in their apartments while he continued to pay the mortgage and utilities in exchange for keeping their increasingly messy divorce out of the media spotlight.
That's because the video came from you, right, Ms. Heard?
No, it did not.
You edited out the portions.
That video did not come to me. No, I mean, come from me.
Ms. Heard, you edited out the portions that made you look bad before sending it to TMC.
You're very wrong about that.
So
if I wanted to leak information, I could have done it in a more effective way, a lot sooner and a lot more.
Because
I was living with a mountain of this evidence. If I wanted to leak it, I could have done a lot more with it.
I thought you testified earlier in this trial that you didn't know how to leak things.
I don't.
This out-of-the-media story was also a lie because it was publicly revealed in court that Amber leaked information to TMZ. This was very different from what Heard's attorneys had claimed. They had said, Amber's desire to keep things private is also why we did not arrange for Johnny to have been personally served at last night's movie premiere. The letter then listed Heard's demands, concluding, we are indeed hopeful that we can swiftly work out mutually acceptable short and long-term solutions outside of the public eye. Some fans are claiming that Amber turned out the way she did because of her so-called friends, while others claim she destroyed her life by herself. A fan tweeted, Amber Heard is a liar, but it didn't help that some of her friends may have given her some really bad advice. If the advice is get a divorce, fine. But some of them knew that her face had no injuries and still testified to seeing one. Another fan tweeted, you are missing one person. Amber Heard did the most damage to Amber Heard. If she had moved forward after the divorce and not tried to cancel him and not written the op-ed and fabricated stories, she would still have a life. Amber Turd ruined Amber Heard. Everyone, let's not forget that this video is based on theories and my opinions and should not be considered facts. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.